Hey guys, I'm Tory Reviewer, and today I'm going to be doing Cowboys versus Indians. So, we have like these horse dudes over here, and they're basically gonna be like attacking one of these dudes. And probably one of these guys won't know this guy's like here. And we also have another dude there. But I'm pretty sure those dudes will look for him. And yeah, this guy's dead so far. I know I haven't knocked down some other people. I don't get enough time, but anyway. So yeah. So this is where I had to put that there so like the horses couldn't escape. But this thing's for the horses. And yeah, this thing's for the horses. And so I'll just try put one horse here. So it doesn't look very good, but I like the cabin thing and stuff. So yeah, like this video if you like Cowboys and Indians, and catch you later. See you dudes.